Another variation of the hummus recipe is the curry hummus recipe. For this recipe we're gonna need the following ingredients. Start by pouring into the blender 1 cup of chickpeas. Add 3 tablespoons of tahini, 1 cup of lemon juice. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a pinch of salt, 3 teaspoons of curry, but if you like more curry you can put a little bit more. Then olive oil, and blend all the ingredients until they become creamy and smooth. If the texture of your hummus is not smooth and creamy, you can add a little bit of water to the blender. Decorate the curry hummus with some sesame seeds and enjoy it.
If you like this video and you want to receive other videos in the future, please subscribe and ring the bell for further notifications. Thank you for watching and see you the next time.